So your cost outside of the loan, let's be clear, during the pre-approval process, there's no cost at all. It's a free, completely free process. There's no contract, no obligations. This is your best opportunity to get expert counsel and all your questions asked absolutely for free. You don't incur any cost until you're actually in contract. Besides closing costs, which I'll address in a second, typically you're going to have a home inspection that can run anywhere from $300 to $500 or maybe even more because it's dependent on square footage. And you might have some other inspections. These are other inspections that would be suggested by your agent and aren't party to your financing. So in terms of the loan, the cost you have of your loan are many and varied. There's lots of different parties that interact in this. The fees you would see from your lender are actually, there's only one or two fees from a lender. All the other costs have to do with title and escrow, which is a little outside of the scope of a conversation because it's better reviewed together in an itemized way. Otherwise it's hard to understand. But as an introduction, total closing costs are usually 2 to 3% of the purchase price. And you can often negotiate with your seller to pay some or all of those. There's also some loan programs that will help defray or at least cover some of those costs. So again, these are things we can go over in the pre-approval. And but the costs you do need to be aware of that aren't part of your loan or that aren't going to be covered by your seller are the home inspection, $400 to $500. Earnest money. Earnest money is widely misunderstood. When you get in a contract, it's a check you write that the title company is going to hold to the neutral third party. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's earnest money, saying you're really earnest with going forward with the transaction. You don't lose that money. It goes towards your closing costs or your down payment, but you need to be prepared to have that up front. So guys, I'm always happy to answer questions. Pick up the phone, give me a call, or feel free to fill out a form at the bottom of my website.